Sometimes, guys, the best solution are the simplest ones. So last month I watched a video where someone talked about how she used two skincare products to fade dark spots beneath her eyes, and then she was having wrinkles also on her face and on her forehead. That these two products she used helped her fade those wrinkles and rejuvenated her skin. So she said she used Vaseline and aloe vera to reverse signs of aging on her face. And guys, I tried it for 1 week. Okay, I tried it for 1 week, and I want to give you reasons why you should include it in your skincare routine. If you have not been using Vaseline and aloe vera on your face, especially for those of us that are from the age of 30, you have been sleeping on this goodness, and I want to introduce it to you today so that you go and get it. These are very simple and affordable products that you can use to reverse aging. I have used it for 1 full week, and I am here to give you 5 reasons why you should also incorporate Vaseline and aloe vera into your skincare routine. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here, guys. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Mopta Felicia, and in this video I'm going to be sharing 5 reasons why you should incorporate aloe vera and Vaseline into your skincare routine. Aloe vera is very good when combined with Vaseline because one, it will reverse aging. Now if you notice that you're having lines beneath your eyes and maybe you're beginning to have lines on your forehead, the first thing that you should do is that you should get aloe vera and Vaseline. Now this is what you do at night. Okay, you put in your aloe vera gel like this, rub it beneath your eyes. Okay, rub it beneath your eyes. Now you put beneath that side where you're having those lines and wrinkle. Remember also the side of your mouth, because these are just areas that you see signs of aging first before it gets to other parts of your body. So you rub this aloe vera gel like this beneath your eyes where the fine lines are coming out, by the side of your lips and on your forehead. Allow it for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, when it has stayed for 10 to 15 seconds, you come in with your Vaseline. Vaseline is also a very good anti-aging product because it is the loss of moisture beneath these thin areas that causes those fine lines and wrinkle. This Vaseline here will help to lock in the hydration that your aloe vera has provided. Okay, so you come in with your Vaseline like this beneath your eyes. Use a thin layer of your Vaseline. Don't do it too much. Okay, now do it like that. Use a thin layer of your Vaseline, just the way I'm doing here. Rub it all over the affected area where you're seeing signs of aging. Then you come to your forehead. That is that. This should be like your night cream. Okay, use it as your night cream. Sleep with it. Then when you wake up in the morning, you will notice that you're waking up to a very fresh and a supple skin. Do it continuously. With time, it will help to fade those fine lines and wrinkles that are coming out on your skin. That is what I have been doing for the past 1 week, and I thought to share because I have noticed a tremendous improvement. Like I used to have just some tiny fine lines on my forehead, so that is what I do. After doing that, I just use my hand to massage it like this. Okay, so after everything, use your hand to massage beneath your eyes also. Use it to massage beneath your eyes. It will help you. That is the first way to use aloe vera and Vaseline. Now, okay guys, the second reason why you should use aloe vera and Vaseline is that they will help to hydrate your skin. Are you seeing after applying the mixture on my skin, are you seeing how my skin looks so hydrated? Yes, aloe vera and Vaseline will help to hydrate your skin because firstly, this one is a very good product that helps to provide moisture to your skin. It helps to provide hydration. Guys, it is the lack of moisture on our skin that makes us to age so fast. So if you combine these two products, it will help to hydrate your skin, okay, and provide moisture to your skin without clogging your pores, because aloe vera and Vaseline are so good. They will penetrate into your skin and will provide moisture without clogging your pores. Don't be scared and say, if I use Vaseline, it will clog my pores. No, Vaseline will not clog your pores because Vaseline is occlusive in nature, so it helps to seal in water and moisture on your skin without clogging your pores. The only thing I will advise is that you should not use it too much, okay? Alright guys, thirdly, if you have oily skin like mine, okay, you need to use this two combo because it will help to balance oil production on your skin. You know that it is the lack of moisture that makes our skin to produce so much oil on the face because it's trying to meet up. So if you use these two products, it will help to balance, you know, the oil production on your skin and thereby help to curb excess oil production. Because you're keeping your skin properly hydrated now, it will not have any need to produce excess oil again. So you just have like a normal skin, okay? Your oil production now will be reduced and your sebaceous gland will not be struggling to produce so much oil. Guys, if you have watched this video to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, help me subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription button, like this video, do not forget to leave a comment and share to those that it will be of help to. Alright guys, let us continue. Then thirdly, if you have sunburn, if you're suffering from sunburn or any form of skin damage or damage barrier, this combination will be so helpful. Because last week I had an exercise that made me work so much under the sun for a very long hour for 2 days. So this was the two products that really helped me. Do not mix them together, okay? Come in with your aloe vera face, allow it to stay on your skin for 10 to 15 seconds before you now rub your Vaseline. Especially for those of us that have sunburn and inflammation, this will be so helpful, okay? Because aloe vera will help to soothe your skin from that inflammation and then help to repair that damage barrier. Then Vaseline will help to seal in moisture and then hydrate your skin. It is very good if you use these two products for those of us that have mild sunburns on our skin. Okay guys, the fourth reason why you should use these two products, aloe vera and Vaseline, is because it reduces redness on your face. If you have redness as a result of maybe using a product that has compromised your skin barrier, any chemical product that was really harsh to your skin, or maybe mosquito bites or whatever it is that caused redness on your skin, these two products will help you. Aloe vera will help to soothe the inflammation, it will help to calm your skin down. Then Vaseline will help to hydrate and, you know, lock in moisture to help balance your skin properly. So these two products will really be of help if you have redness on your skin. Guys, don't sleep on these two products. They will help you. Another reason why you should incorporate these two products into your skincare routine is that if you have scars on your face or on your body, these two products will help you. Especially if you have burn scars on your face, these two products are a must-have, okay? If you have burn scars on your face, please, maybe as a result of fire or hot water or whatever it is that caused that scar on your face, apply these two products. Come in with your aloe vera first, allow it for some time on the affected area, then use Vaseline to calm everything down. These two products will help to fade scars, even acne scars, post-acne scars. It will help to fade and give you a smooth, bright skin, okay? Lastly, I would like you to know that these products are good for all skin type. If you're dry skin, this should be your #1 priority, because this one will help to provide hydration, and this one will lock in the hydration and provide more moisture to your skin. Then it will not allow you to lose water and moisture that makes your skin to be so dry. So if you want something that will lock in water, moisture and every other oil that you need to have this smooth and supple skin without being flaky and dry, these two products will help you. If those people that have sensitive skin, like whatever they apply on their face always reacts, guys, go get these two products, because these are two natural calm products that will just give your skin that soothing and relaxed feeling. Aloe vera is so cool when applied to the skin. Vaseline too is calm. So these will provide hydration and balance your skin barrier, while this will lock hydration and moisture to your skin. Then if you have oily skin, guys, use this because it will help you to keep your skin from overproducing oil on your face, okay? These products are very affordable. They are not products that you need to break the bank to get, yet they are effective. Thank you guys for watching this video. Will you be trying these two combination? This two combination is capable of hydrating your skin, reversing aging, repairing your skin barrier and just giving you a supple and a beautiful skin. These two products will not lighten your skin. There is no proof that it will lighten your skin because my skin is just normal. It has not lightened my skin. I have not experienced any form of lightness on my face, so I don't think it will lighten your skin, but it will just make your skin to look soft and supple and look bouncy. That is just what I have discovered. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you will be trying these two combo. Guys, if you will be trying it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you and have a fantastic time.